Today, we explore the chilling tale of Queen Athaliah, a woman who defied all norms by seizing power in a brutal and shocking manner. Imagine a grandmother so obsessed with power that she didn't hesitate to kill her own grandsons to secure her throne. This is the story of Queen Athaliah, a ruler like no other in the history of Judah. But why did Athaliah commit such heinous acts? Was it pure evil? Or was there more to her story? Stick around as we unravel this dark chapter in biblical history. If you're passionate about uncovering these hidden stories and exploring the complex characters of the Bible, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss our upcoming videos. Let's go back in time to the Kingdom of Judah, a time of political turmoil and intense power struggles. Athaliah was the daughter of King Ahab and Queen Jezebel of Israel, a lineage already infamous for its wickedness. After the death of her husband, King Jehoram of Judah, and later her son, King Ahaziah, Athaliah saw an opportunity. She wasn't about to let the throne slip away. Athaliah's rise to power was swift and brutal. She ordered the massacre of the royal family, including her own grandsons, to eliminate any potential threats to her rule. But how could a grandmother be so ruthless? Was it sheer ambition, or was she driven by fear and desperation? As we explore these possibilities, think about the implications of her actions. Could she have been a product of her environment, molded by the violence and treachery she witnessed growing up under Ahab and Jezebel? Now let's dive into the controversy surrounding Athaliah's story. Was her quest for power inherently evil, or can it be viewed as a desperate attempt to survive in a patriarchal society where women had little to no power? Some might argue that Athaliah was simply playing the same deadly game that men had played for centuries, eliminating rivals to secure her position. But does that justify her actions? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Was Athaliah a villain, a victim of her circumstances, or something in between? Moreover, consider this. Athaliah's story is often overshadowed by her male counterparts in the Bible. Why is that? Is it because history is written by the victors, or does her tale challenge the traditional narratives we are used to? Think about the broader implications of her story in the context of gender and power. As we continue, let's explore another angle. Could there have been a political strategy behind Athaliah's actions that we haven't considered before? Some historians suggest that her marriage to Jehoram and her subsequent rise to power were part of a larger scheme to unite Israel and Judah under a single dynasty, a plan that went horribly wrong. But what if her ruthless decisions were not just about power for power's sake? Could Athaliah have been attempting to secure a legacy, ensuring that her bloodline would dominate the region? And if so, did she ultimately succeed or fail? We also have to ask, why did she rule for 6 years without any major revolts? Was it fear, respect, or something else entirely that kept her in power? And what does this say about the people she ruled over? After all this, what do you think? Was Queen Athaliah an evil tyrant? Or was she a tragic figure trapped by her own ambitions and the ruthless world she was part of? Before we wrap up, I want to hear your theories. Do you believe Athaliah was justified in her actions? Or was she simply another name in a long line of power-hungry rulers who met a tragic end? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's get a discussion going. And if you've made it this far, here's a question to ponder. If you were in Athaliah's position, facing the same dangers and opportunities, would you have acted any differently? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and joining us on this deep dive into one of the Bible's most complex characters. Don't forget to like this video if you found it intriguing and share it with others who might be interested. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep seeking the deeper truth.